guys? Uncle Mike 392. And I'm out here at the Santa Fe Cattle Company this morning, out here on Southeast 29th. It's third Saturday. They have these every third Saturday, weather permitting. And I'm gonna start right here and work my way around. I think this is my 5th video. I started from way over there. Now I'm back over this way in this area. Show you where I gotta go to. I've still got about 3 more lanes and I'm out of here. It's starting to get warm out here. I've been out here about an hour already. How y'all doing this morning? Doing fine, sir. Thank you.
I agree. It's hot.
Yeah, it is. It's getting hot out here, and it's only, let's see what time it is. It's 9:15 in the morning. That's right, and it's getting warm out here, ladies and gentlemen. It's heat there. It's supposed to get up to 105 today in Oklahoma City. Check this out, man. SRT Durango. I don't even have to go. I know what this is. This is a SRT Hellcat Durango 2023, I'm saying. This thing is a beauty. And for you guys who don't know what SRT stands for, it stands for Street Racing Technology. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go see what's down this way. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. What is this? That's nice.
Yeah, that's the 8. That's the N. My buddy got that. I got a buddy at the bar that got one of them. He's got it. And that's $50. All that shit out of it.
All right, let's go.
And he was filming all about it.
Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, man. Hope you're having a great weekend. I'm out here this Saturday morning. When I leave here, I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping and I'm gonna go home and relax for a while. I'm gonna go right over here for a minute and I'll come back over here. SS. Chevrolet. This is my it's an Impala SS. Get a good angle on this thing. There you go, Brother Houston. All right, let me get back over here where I stopped. Okay, I stopped there over here at the station wagon.
Good part of that.
Let me get back over here on my JOB. Check this Cadillac out, y'all. Ooh, that's nice. Cadillac. my dad owned back in the 70s, boy. You want to be on YouTube, brother? Go ahead.
Morning.
Say hello to your friends, man.
Hello.
How y'all doing this morning?
Good. How you doing?
Doing all right. My channel is Uncle Mike 392. If you want to see this on YouTube,
Appreciate it.
yeah, I appreciate you guys, man. You guys having a good time out here?
Oh yeah.
Really? You like these cars?
Even more.
Good. What's your favorite car? This one right here? Okay. You know, right? I got a favorite too. See that white one right here with that big engine in it right here? That's mine right there. I like that.
That's nice. We were just talking about that.
Oh yeah. You guys have a great day.
Definitely need that for something like that.
Hey, ooh, look at this yellow. It's nice. Look like one of them cars from ZZ Top.
We got some more cars out in Choctaw today.
Here, let's film it, man. Let me see.
23rd.
Here, hold it up. Let me film it for you. Oh, you were at ours last year?
Yeah, I remember you last year.
Choctaw.
Yes, sir.
That's
We're
right.
having one out there today.
Today?
Today.
Oh, I need to leave here. Yeah.
Ends at
I didn't
okay.
know. I didn't hear about it. There we go.
Right, no, it
Nobody
ends
told
at
me about
12,
it.
so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
got.
Appreciate
There's
it,
a
brother.
flyer for it.
So what time does it
Baseball.
start?
It started.
It's already started. Okay.
Oh, and,
Okay, let me
yes,
get you
sir.
guys on. Tell them your name, man.
Braden Pride, Choctaw Baseball.
Brody Terran, Choctaw Baseball.
Jason Harris, Choctaw Baseball.
Colton Johnson, Choctaw Baseball.
Appreciate you guys, man. I'm gonna leave here. I'll go over there. I didn't know they had one. Thank you,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Thank you.
I was just about to tell you about that.
Yeah.
And ours.
Huh?
And ours. In the park again this year. You
Gotcha.
came last
Oh,
year.
down there at the baseball park.
Choctaw Creek
Choctaw,
Park.
yeah, gotcha.
Yeah.
I appreciate
on
you,
Labor
brother.
Day.
Appreciate. Tell them about it, man.
It's on Labor Day, the 4th of September. Last year we had 178 cars. This year I expect 200.
There you go.
Grass, shade, trees, food trucks, vendors, the whole 9 yards. So
Gotcha.
$20 you get this shirt. And for the first 200 people and the first 150 people also get a koozie. So $20 can't beat it.
Got you, brother.
Thanks, man.
Thanks a lot, man. Yes, sir.
I'll see you over there.
Yes, sir. This is what is this? 1933. Who's that army guy over there? Whose is this? Oh, this is you. Okay. Who's this? This is what year is this? What year? 35. Check this out, man. So you guys going to the car show in Choctaw? They got one in Choctaw right now as we speak. This is Rick Rod Shop. There you go.
You still have to register with the city?
What was your MOS?
A year or so?
What was your MOS?
11B.
19 Delta.
Good.
Cavalry Scout.
Just one of you guys?
That
What
Army.
kind of motor's in it? 350.
350. There you go.
I like the Plymouth though. It's cool. That's way cool. Very cool. My dad had a 33 Dodge when I was growing up, so not really similar car for sure. Yep.
I've got the sticker on the number.
Mm.
They don't send them any.
All right, guys, let's keep going, shall we? This is a Ford 100 Ranger. What's going on, Marine?
Did you get a flyer, man?
I got.
One of these?
No, I didn't get one.
Okay. We're gonna have a car show.
Oh, you sponsored here? Say it on my
Yeah. We're sponsoring and benefiting the firefighters of Oklahoma City, Midwest City, with a bottled water car show. And we're soliciting everyone that will come out to bring a case of bottled water or two to benefit our firefighters. We're also benefiting the Homeless Alliance. And the Homeless Alliance, we're asking that you will bring some gently used shoes and boots for the homeless. We're going to have it September the 23rd at Heritage Park Plaza. That's 2 blocks north of Heritage Park Mall on Air Depot in Midwest City. September the 23rd. Registration's at 9 o'clock. We'll be there from 9 to 2 o'clock. Thank you very much.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, man.
Simplified, brother.
All right. Yes, sir. All day, man.
Oh,
Come
yes,
on.
sir. Got you. Hey, my channel's Uncle Mike 392 if you want to check out.
Okay. Uncle Mike.
392.
Got you.
Yes, sir.
All right, man.
He had all kinds of problems getting fish to run, then he finally got it to run.
Hey, I need to get him on YouTube. Come here. Come on now.
Cricket.
Don't be shy.
Hey, not.
When they go bad, they go
Jiminy.
bad.
How you doing?
Fine. How y'all doing this morning?
Wonderful,
It's
wonderful.
getting warm out here.
Yeah, it is.
Starting to pick up.
Real quick, real quick.
Yes, ma'am. Here, let's look at this engine on this thing.
350 Chevy. How they get
Look at these
those Cadillac
engines,
valve
man.
covers? Look at those demon carburetors.
Mm-hmm.
But that's a 350 Chevy.
You can order all kinds of stuff here.
Wow. Well, that's cool.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
All right. 1938. I cheated. I didn't know I cheated. I looked on your tag. I wouldn't have known it was a 38 until I looked on your tag.
It's got a 97 350 in it.
And it's for sale. Here, let me put this on my YouTube channel. Maybe somebody will see it on my channel. And here, let me get that phone number. Was it 281-5015? Right. Or 888-4544? There you go. Let's look at it.
Yeah, it's in good shape, man. There's nothing real wrong with it.
Hmm?
There's nothing real wrong with this car. It's all in good shape.
Gotcha. I got you on YouTube, brother.
You what?
You gonna be on my YouTube channel?
Well, thank you, man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, brother.
Okay.
Sir. All right, so this is a 1938, guys. All right, I'm finna end it right here. I gotta start over because I'm running out of time. Okay. It's Uncle Mike 392, guys. I'll see you guys on the other side later.